So guys, sharing a C8 one more video has been came on the LeetCode Cam channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 3016 by the name of minimum number of pushes to type word tip. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question. And in today's question, there are some of the diagrams has been also been included. And in today's question, there are total three examples which we are seeing. Okay, there are three examples with a diagram, so we will be understand all the examples with a diagram, okay, step by step. So please, if you are new here, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please hit the bell icon for more amazing these type of new tutorials. And please come on to my channel, and please subscribe my channel and access my LeetCode Camp playlist and bookmark it. And this is a medium one question which we are solving, and in today's question there are the total of three hints are included, but we don't see any hint. Okay, we will be solve it by our own brain. Okay, so but anyways, let's try to solve this question in Python 3. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing game. So guys, here you can see it one more timing game on the LeetCode Camp channel. So by the way, we are solving our question number 3060 by the name of minimum number of pushes to type word to. So let's start. So it has given me a string which word containing a lowercase English letters. Now the telephone keypads have key mapped with a distinct collections of lowercase English letters, which can be used to form words by pushing them. For example, the key is mapped with A, B, C. We need to push the key one time to type A, two times to type B, and three times to type C. Okay, so it is allowed to remap the keys, okay, and number to 2 to 9, two distinct collection of letters. The keys can be remapped to any amount of letters, but each letter must be mapped to exactly one key. So you need to find the minimum number of times the keys will be pushed to type the string word. We want to determine the minimum number of pushes needed to type word after remapping the keys. An example mapping of letters to keys on a telephone keypad is given below. So let me show you. Note that the 1 star hash and 0 do not map to any letters. Okay. So here a diagram. If you see, there is a 1 in the 2, there is A, B, C. Like this type of one calculator has been built it with the numbers and alphabetical letters also. Here you can see it. So if you come down, so here is an example one in which here he created a one diagram in which he wrote down some of the numbers. Okay, here you can see it, and some of the numbers and some of the, here you can see it, letters like this. You can see it. Here you can see it. Here you can see it. So let me give him the red color so it will be so clearly to you. And let me give him the weight, and the weight should be like this. Okay, so if you see here, come down here, you get a string word by the name of string, sorry, here you get a one string by the name of word in which he wrote in out A, B, C, D, E, and the output incoming 5, because the remapped keypad given in the images provide the minimum cost, like A, one push on key 2, B, one push on key 3, C, one push on key 4, D, one push on key 5, E, one push on key 6. So the total cost is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus is equals to 5. So it can be shown that no other mapping can provide a lower cost. Okay, so it can be shown like that, not no other mapping can provide a lower cost. For example 2, here if you view out the example 2, here you can like this one diagram, like 1 2 3 4, and there are also the alphabetical letters are also included. So if you come down here, he created a one string by the name of word in which he wrote in on x y z x y z x y z x and y z, and after incoming 12. Why? Because the remap keypad given in the image provides the minimum cost. So means that x one push on key 2, y one push on key 3, if z one push on key 4. So the total cost is 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 4 plus 1 multiplied by 4 is equals to 12. So it can be shown that no other mapping can provide a lower cost. So note that the key 9 is not mapped to any letter. It is not necessary to map letters to every key, but to map all the letters. Okay. Example number 3. Here you did the same diagram like 1, 2a, 3b, 4c, like this type of, okay. And here he did a one string by the name of word in which he wrote it down a, b, p, c, c, d, d, e, f, f, g, g, h, and then I. Okay, means that here he wrote down the same letters double or triple times, okay. And the upper end coming 24. Why? Because the remap key given in the image provides the minimum cost. Means that A, one push on key 2, B, one push on key 3, C, one push on key 4, D, one push on key 5, E, one push on key 6, F, one push on key 7, G, one push on key 8, H, two pushes on key 9, I, one push on key 9. So the total cost is 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2, then plus 1, then multiply by 2, then plus 1, then multiply by 2, then plus 1, then multiply by 2 plus 2, multiply by 2 plus 6, and multiply by 1 is equals to 24. So it can be shown that no other mapping can provide a lower cost. Okay. So there are the two constraints are also be included. If you want to see it, so see it. I am not viewing it. Okay. So let's come on to the LeetCode website. So here is our LeetCode website, and we are solving our media 1 question. Okay. And this question has 4 hints are total included. Okay. Sorry, 3 hints. Okay, but we don't see any hint. Okay. And there are total topics are also being included like hash table, string, greedy, sorting, counting. Okay, like these type of topics are also being there, but we don't see any topics. Okay, just let me solve it. So first of all, what we're gonna do now, we are solving this Python, solving this question in Python, by the way. First of all, we want to write class solution def minimum pushes self comma word str. Now here we do not defining any comment, okay, because it will be fulfill our code, and then it is very hard to write code then. Okay, max heap equals to minus frac equals to char for char comma frac in frequency map dot items. Perfect. Now we define heap q dot heapify max heap. When we define this max heap, so we want to define count equals to 0, j equals to 1, enter. So then when we define this code, so we want to write file max heap frac comma char equals to heap q dot heap of max heap frac if j less than equals to 8, count plus equals to frac, and then elif j less than equals to 16, enter count plus equals to frac multiply by 2. Elif j, again we write in and we define 24, count plus equals to frac multiply by 3. Perfect. Now we define else, and then else we define here count plus equals to frac multiply by 4. Enter back. We define here j plus equals to 1, enter back, return count. So we have written about all the code. So let's see the running code. So while we run this code, so the running code has been accepted. So let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, and the submission code has also been accepted, and I paid total 88% people, and our total 88% people we have beaten. Okay, so it is our big achievement. So here you can see in today's video we solve our question number 3016 by the name of minimum number of pushes to type word 2. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of new tutorials. And come to my LeetCode camp profile, so you can also be view my LeetCode camp profile also. Okay, so now let's meet you next video amazing video like this. So for today, goodbye.